no barrier. This side there's life, that side there's death.
Jess.
Copy.
Remember, we've got to get up to that spillway before the water starts to fill up. The pressure's going to get stronger every passing minute. It's already begun.
Okay.
I mean, where do I start?
This power plant is the single largest one in Iceland. To drive the car in the water up the spillway would be a huge challenge for you. This has only one final ending. If something goes wrong, the car would fall off the spillway and drop down 90 meters. Probably no more of this.
This is crazy, to the point where we don't even know if it's possible.
Are you ready? Okay, good luck. That canyon's going to be impassable in 10 minutes.
Got ya.
When the water starts to run over the barrier, we have just an hour before it reaches 200 cubic meters each second. It isn't safe at all.
Það til heimildir aftur til 1345 minni mig. Það var nú þannig að ég kom bara hérna fram og sé ég eitthvað á hreyfingu þannig í vatnsborðinu. Mér finnst Íslendingar vera svolítið feimnir í sambandi við laghljómsváninn. Þetta nú svona einhverjir draugar, jú, það var alltaf bara draugar hérna.
Hard right now, into the tunnel. They're really steep. It's all uphill from here. Jess, ready? She's out of the tunnel. Still wanted to go up there? We have to. The water's really coming down now. Get those. Keep on going.
Copy.
Steady.
Hugurinn ber menn hálfa leið. Já, ég held að það er hægt. Ég ætla að teka á mig ábyrgð.
We have to go right away.
The water's getting heavier.
Keyra? Bara keyra?
We're moving. We're on the move.
There's no visibility.
straum sem ég réði á þann veg, já.